Welcome to AI Explained. Let's go. It's early, you're half asleep, you pick up your phone. Before you even press a button, it unlocks. Just like that. It saw your face, and it knew it was you. But a photo of you doesn't work. A drawing doesn't work. It only opens for the real you. How does your phone know the difference? The answer is more impressive than you think. The moment you look at your phone, it shoots 30,000 tiny invisible dots at your face. You can't see them, but the phone can. Each dot bounces back at a different speed, depending on the shape of your face. Nose sticks out, eye sockets go in. Every face leaves a unique pattern. From those 30,000 dots, your phone builds a 3D map of your face. Not a photo, a shape, like a sculpture made of data points. Then it compares that map to the one stored from your setup. Match, wash, Tony, you're in. No match, stays locked. But how does it know what a face looks like at all? Simple. AI studied millions of faces. Young, old, every skin tone, every shape. It learned what all faces share and what makes each face unique. So when it sees yours, it knows exactly what to look for. Here's the part that surprises almost everyone. It works in complete darkness. No light at all. The dots your phone uses are a kind of light your eyes can't see, but the phone's camera can. No sunlight needed, no lamp. It works the moment you look at it, even at 3 in the morning. The same technology is in your Photos app. When it automatically groups all the pictures of your mom together, that's AI recognizing her face every single time. At many airports, you walk through passport control without stopping. The camera checks your face against your passport photo in under a second. Security cameras in shops and stadiums can recognize specific people in a crowd. Not just there's a person, but who that person is. But it's not perfect. Identical twins can sometimes fool it because their 3D face shapes are nearly identical. Even the phone gets confused. And if the AI was mostly trained on certain types of faces, it works better for those than others. A real problem, and researchers are working hard to fix it. A very detailed 3D mask could theoretically trick it, which is exactly why phone makers keep improving the system. More dots, smarter checks, harder to fool. You just went from my phone magically knows my face to knowing exactly how it works. 30,000 invisible dots, a 3D map, millions of faces studied, all for one unlock. That's what AI Explained is about. The technology that's already part of your life, explained so clearly that anyone can get it. Next episode, every time you skip a video or rewatch something, AI notices. It learns from every single choice you make and gets a little bit smarter each time. How does that actually work? Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.